Darksiders Genesis. Darksiders Genesis. Civilization VI. Civilization VI. Payday 2. Payday 2. Resident Evil 4. Resident Evil 4. BioShock, The Collection. BioShock, The Collection. Inside. Inside. The Outer Worlds. The Outer Worlds. Batman, The Telltale Series. Batman, The Telltale Series. Dead Cells. Dead Cells. Outlast. Outlast. Mortal Kombat 11. Mortal Kombat 11. Outlast 2. Outlast 2. Borderlands Legendary Collection. South Park, The Fractured But Whole. Resident Evil Revelations. Resident Evil Revelations. Dark Souls. Dark Souls. Bayonetta 2. Noir. Noir. The Witcher 3 Wild Hunt. The Witcher 3 Wild Hunt. Diablo Roman 3. Diablo Roman 3. Dune. The Elder Scrolls V Skyrim. The Elder Scrolls V Skyrim. The Legend of Zelda Breath of the Wild. The Legend of Zelda Breath of the Wild.
Hey guys, thank you so much for the support and likes and comments down below, and also thank you so much for watching, and I look forward to see you in the next video. Then take care, bye.